The Vikas is a family of liquid-fueled rocket engines conceptualized and designed by the Liquid Propulsion Systems Center in the 1970s. The design was based on the licensed version of the Viking engine with the chemical pressurization system. The early production Vikas engines used some imported French components which were later replaced by domestically produced equivalents. It is used in the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle and the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle series of expendable launch vehicles for space launch use. Vikas engine is used to power the second stage of PSLV boosters and second stage of GSLV Mark I and II, and also the core stage of GSLV Mark III. The propellant loading for Vikas engine in PSLV, GSLV Mark I and II is 40 tons, while in GSLV Mark III is 55 tons. In 1974, Société Européenne de Propulsion agreed to transfer Viking engine technology in return for 100 man-years of engineering work from ISRO. The first engine built from the acquired technology was tested successfully in 1985 by Nambi Narayanan and his team at ISRO and named it Vikas. The engine uses up about 40 metric tons of UDMH as fuel and nitrogen tetroxide as oxidizer with a maximum thrust of 725 kN. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.